Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lady Sumin. Welcome back to my channel. We're having an amazing English breakfast mukbang. I don't know why I just call it English breakfast, but probably because of here is eggs and sausages. And also I did some fresh toasted bread with cream cheese. So I'm so excited to have it. And also today is quite calm day. I wake up, and I'm just feeling like after all of those overwhelmed days since last Friday, I'm just feeling like quite empty right now. I don't know. Was like lots of emotions, lots of meetings, like not lots of meetings, but lots of moments on outside, which is so unusual as I'm so isolated at my home. And actually, I so much like it because after those weekends, I just get sick and my immune system was crushed. I don't know. I feel better today than yesterday. What the fuck? What the hell is flying here? So I feel quite better, yeah, today than yesterday. But still, I'm feeling like I had a flu, and today at night I was also sleeping, and I wake up in the middle of the night, and my eyes are leaking like I'm crying. I don't know, like what kind of psychosomatic it is. Like, why did I get sick? But probably because like I was so excited to be on outside, and I just shared lots of my energy, and it is also what takes my physical energy, as we can see. So whatever, I just been quite lost, and I was thinking like, oh my gosh, today is a new episode, and I need to prepare myself like to start some topic and everything like that. But then I think like, man, fuck it. If you don't have what to talk about, it doesn't matter. Just go to the supermarket, spend your last money on some delicious food, and have an amazing mukbang with your lovely viewers, lovely community. So let's have it. Oh my gosh, I'm always talking too much. Maybe it's good. Okay. I even had a knife. I thought like it's gonna be aesthetic. A little of white egg. No, also with sausage around it. Like, and let's mix it together. Yeah. Let's have a bite, bestie. That is so good. How simple it is, yeah. Just fried eggs and sausages. Sausages. But the flavors are given rich. I'm feeling like I'm millionaire. Having breakfast on my villa. Am I psychopathic? Water. Oh, also, I bought some dessert. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. It calls Copataca. Copataca, sabor chocolate y nata. I don't know, it's like chocolate and whipped cream or something like that. But it is so delicious, and price for that is just like 50 cents. So I think like, wow, I need it. First time I've been tried like 3 years ago when I only just moved to the Spain, and since that time, wow, it is one of my favorite dessert, honestly. And it is so cheap. Everyone can afford it. even homeless people which is living under my building. They always having lots of beer and everything like that, and I'm just thinking like, guys, how did you find the money to buy a beer for yourself? But you still are homeless. It's crazy. I can listen that crunch, yeah. I think I made too much bread, and like I'm usually don't have any lunch, so it's kind of weird for me because like for those months, which is like I was fasting like in July for all of the months, I don't know. I forget what is breakfast, what is lunch. I wasn't have at all any food. I don't know. I just think also I've been so stressed and depressed. That's why I wasn't want to eat anything. And that's how I've lost 20 kilograms for the last 6 months. It's crazy. People which is knowing me here in Barcelona, like friends of mine, they're just like seeing me outside because I'm started now going on outside. So someone can literally just see me in supermarket or somewhere else, and they just look at me and always asking like, "Oh man, what's wrong? Like, you lose a lot of weights. Like, are you okay?" That friend, Yari, with which is I reconnect my relationship, uh, he also just like came to me that day when he was texted me, and he just like, "Oh my god, I just watched at your Instagram and I'm seeing you like so skin is so dry, and like I thought maybe you got some sickness and something is not right." Guys, I just broke up with my perfect man, which is I was thought at my vision, and I've been depressed. That's why I lost those amount of weight. Oh, look at that yolk. You got me. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god. You know what I would like to do? I would like what's that? It's like tapas. Look at that. Look how perfect it is. Oh my god. It's like I. Oh my god. It's literally looks like I. Wow. Let's bite it. Oh, I'm so excited about that bite. Look at that. Mmm. Well, I'm foodie. I always been like that. Why it is so good? It's incredibly delicious. Like the yolk with cream cheese. Oh. I can say Nothing but just bravo. Bravo, Vladi. You fried it perfect. Thanks. Wow. Spectacular. It has become to be one of my favorite words. Spectacular. I'm hilarious. So yeah, I was kinda lost after all of those colorful days. And also my bank account is again going to be so low. There's already less than 10 euro. But there's been my first donation. Thank you so much, Lanushka, if you're seeing this. And tomorrow, Wednesday, I finally should get that donations on my bank account. So let's see. Maybe tomorrow God will bless me again and I'm gonna have opportunity to buy some another delicious food. But I'm still wasn't fix my financial issue with rent payment. And I think that's why I'm also kind of in some of anxiety, and that is giving me some lost feelings because I'm understanding that like that responsibility is just like a heavy press above me, and I'm still understanding that I need to fix it, and doesn't matter in what cost, because like for me the relationship with Tony, with the landlord and owner, is so important, and I don't want to ruin it just by that thing that I can't pay for the rent. But still, I don't know what to do about it. Yeah, so that's the kind of things on my mind. There's been a comment from Lanushka. Maybe you have to sell something. I thought to sell, for example, my laptop. But then again, I'm thinking like if I'm gonna sell my laptop, I'm not gonna be able to do my microphone sound. I thought that I can sell my microphone, but then again, I think like that's gonna be different type of quality of my videos. So I'm thinking like, okay, what else I have to sell? I have old iPhone 12 Pro, but then again, I was going to ask how much it is, and they told me like it's 200 euro. I'm thinking like, oh hell no. I'm better leave it and gotta give it for my mother as soon as I'm gonna see her. I hope I'm gonna see my mom in the next year if everything gonna be alright, and if I'm gonna find a solution and find a new possibilities for me out of my content creation on a daily basis. Yes, because that's the only thing from which I want to earn, and I know that is possible. I know that it's possible. Just it takes some time, and I need to invest more myself for to find my personality, for to open up myself as a public person, as a media person, more and more. For people are recognizing me. That takes time. I understand it. Fame doesn't happen in click, you know. It is daily work, consistent work, year by year, sometimes decades, you know. I feel like I spent a decade already in my life uh, with trying to achieve some fame, some success, trying to build some audience, gain some followers. And this year I started everything in a new way, so I'm feeling like everything is gonna work out. But because I only started that year, I'm clearly understand that I need to invest more time and more years for that. But I don't know, like I'm hope I'm gonna be blessed by the God, by the universe, or by some a beautiful rich man we just want to invest in that beautiful talent. Oh my god. Either it's gonna be hell, either it's gonna be heaven. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. No. I understand that there should be some support system, and I really don't mind if like some wealthy man, gonna like me, gonna love me, gonna respect me, and gonna help me somehow. I don't mind about it, but I'm not gonna go on any dating applications or websites or whatever it is. I'm just giving that kind of opportunity for myself to meet someone, for the universe, for the Holy Spirit. I don't know. I want someone to find me by their own wish. I don't want to looking for anyone. I don't want to go anywhere to flirt with anyone. I don't want to do that things like I'm tired of these things. I've been doing it until my 24 years old. It's enough. It's enough. That's it. I want something serious. I want something for the future. I want something endless. I want something forever. So if there is gonna appear some nice man, I'm not gonna reject him. But to looking for him, to going somewhere with that purpose, no. I'm gonna stay alone. I'm better gonna stay alone and struggle with my shit by myself until I'm not gonna find possibilities to fix it by myself. But I'm not gonna look for anyone who can like help me. That is already different age, different feelings, different priorities. I'm seeing myself different than in my earliest age. That topic is going to the heavy emotions. Whatever. Look at that bruschetta, or how it's right to say. I don't know. But it is looks so delicious. Looks so yum. All right, let's finish it. I don't want to date for fun, anyone. That's what I was trying to say. I want date for future, for family. So let's see how it's gonna be. I'm already without any dating applications more than a year, for sure. So I'm happy with that thing, to be honest. Let's open up that dessert. I don't know even what's this episode about, but just like, my feelings, my things, my emotions, my mindset at the moment while I'm having that English breakfast but in my case, it is already lunch. Look at that. It is so nice. You can hear, yeah, how fluffy it is. Oh, that is so delicious. It's like chocolate mousse. And whipped cream. Oh yeah. That is freaking good. There is not too much sweet. Look. Oh. I just can't stop. It's so good. I would eat 10 of them on easy. Wow. One of my favorite dessert. Coppa. You should try if you're having Aldi at your city, at your country. Because it is so good. So guys, was so delicious, and I just shared my feelings at the moment. It is another day towards my dreams, towards my vision, towards my new life and new opportunities which is coming my way, and I know that I'm worth it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much, love you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.